What's going on YouTube? Today we are back with another video, and we have the Fly Streetwear Nike Dunks. Now these are pretty dirty. This is the first time I've ever gotten these two, so I'm excited to do a video on them. The shoe on the left is more faded. You guys can see the suede is more dull and faded. The suede on the right shoe is more vibrant, but it's still dirty. As you guys can see there, all the way around the shoes are dirty. And the tongue there, all that stuff. So just want to get these nice and cleaned up. I don't know if there's any videos on these yet, so hopefully we're the first. Let's get right into it. Alright guys, so to begin this cleaning, I'm going to be using some Rejuvenator. I'll drop a discount code in the comments for you guys. And I'm also going to be using a soft texture brush because these are suede and we don't want to be too aggressive with it and have it bleed and all that extra stuff. So when I dip my brush in the solution, I'm just going to shake it out a little bit. And then we go ahead and we're going to start hitting the tongue. And after cleaning portion of the sneakers, I'm just going to use a microfiber cloth just to press down and dry up the suede, just like so. Alright guys, now we have the uppers nice and cleaned up. I'm going to go ahead and switch over to my stiff texture brush with the same solution. I'm just going to go ahead and clean the entire outsole portion. Alright, so onto the suede portion of these shoes. You guys can see when I rub the shoes, the texture doesn't change at all. It's actually pretty hard as well. So I'm using my suede eraser. The brand right here is Pedag. And I'm literally just going to rub the area like so. You guys can see it changes the texture pretty much, and I can rub it back and forth. And it's a lot softer. Now it needs to be rubbed a little bit more. And then it also needs to be conditioned, which we will do after as well. And I also have my suede brush right here. I just use it to go ahead and brush the suede through, get all that dust out. Alright guys, so at this point we're conditioning the sneakers. I'm using some Angelus mink oil. And I have my soft brush here. And I have my suede brush here. Pretty simple. We're just going to spray onto the suede. You guys can see the color difference there. Use our brush it all in. Alright guys, at this point the shoes are completely finished. As you guys can see, they are nice and fresh looking. Absolutely amazing. Pretty pleased with the results. You guys let me know if you guys want this treatment done to your sneakers. Drop a comment or DM me at Dre's Durations. That's my business page. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one.